so this is what I see in Facebook about the filter. It's a typical, and I have seen this small post has up to 15 comments, and the special requirement is that Brahim Ait Outkir, if I spelt or sound as it should, I don't know, but his requirement is, if I understood correctly, he wants to filter it using that show only. But after filter, if he wishes, he can edit the data, and it should save that edited data in the same table. So it's not generally done with this different cell having the filter data. I mean, you can do it in the table itself. Let me show you why you need this separate cell to filter. You can always filter it here, right? You just activate this filter and then choose whatever you need here and then press OK. This way it should filter it, right? But now I have cheated you. I cheated you. You will know why this one. Like, let's have 4 data. If I select OK, I get this data. Good, I get good. Excellent, I get excellent. Now you want to modify this one, right? Muhammad 2, for example, this one. You cannot modify this one because I have cheated you. And here is the hidden rows. Let's unhide this. Okay, so if I want to modify, I cannot. So let me, yeah. So if it is done this way, at least you need 2 tables if you want the cell to be in different location to filter 1 table. But this way you cannot actually modify the original data from here. What is best for you, you simply use this one. Select Excel, you get excellent, right? You get and then simply modify this 2, you get 2, right? It's easiest. You don't need this thing, and always you can go back to original, disable. That's it. Why simple thing to complicate? If you have very simple thing, simple solution already built in, don't I think overburden this with your requirement. But if you really need this, as suggested many people already in the comment, you can go and do that. Also, by my suggestion, if you hide this and for example hide this, and then you want to use this filter, and then you want to modify this one, then you need an additional thing, right, to actually work this. Anyway, I hope you like my suggestion. Thank you.